In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find this Spotify pie chart. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm exactly going to show you the process. Now you cannot find the Spotify pie chart within the Spotify application or in the Spotify website. For that, you'll need to open up another website. So for that, you'll need to open up a web browser first and then search for Spotify pie. Once you do that, you can enter the first website, which is called Spotify pie, and it's going to take you to this interface. Now all you need to do is tap on login to Spotify and then type in your email address and your password. After that, it's going to take you to this screen. You tap on agree. Now for some reason it's not working and it's not showing up the Spotify pie right now. Maybe it's having some issues right now, but if you try out, you should be able to see your Spotify pie right here. It's going to show you your most played songs and your top artists. So that's basically how you view or find your Spotify pie chart. It was a real quick and video. I hope you guys understood. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.